Diksha.
And there you can see the first formation flying in Apache attack helicopters, today led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. Flying the other two aircraft are Wing Commander Munit Dogra and Wing Commander Gaurav Patania. The Apaches, with its advanced fire control radar, night vision system, and arsenal of Hellfire missiles and Hydra rockets, is a formidable force in the battlefield. These fierce attack helicopters are the face of the modern machines in India's leap into the manufacturing advanced of the rotary wing platform. And there you can see Formation Airborne from Air Force Station Hindon, led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. The Apache attack helicopters flying in victory formation.
संतुलन, साहस और शौर्य का परिचय 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर पहुंचते हुए 137 हेली स्क्वाड्रन से नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन प्रवीण सारथी कर रहे हैं। अन्य सदस्य हैं विंग कमांडर मुनीत डोगरा और विंग कमांडर गौरव पठानिया। और अब बारी सतलुज फॉर्मेशन की। 2 डॉर्नियर और एक AN-32 ट्रांसपोर्ट हेलीकॉप्टर। ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे।
The Dorniers, belonging to 41 Squadron, also known as the Otters, with the motto Samay Par Sahayata. They had the unique distinction of being the only aircraft in the IF with the role of air calibration of the IF airfields. And now, the Rakshak formation debuting on the Kartavya Path today for the maiden formation flypast, Rakshak, the Dornier formation of the Indian Coast Guard. True to their motto, Vayam Rakshamaha, the Indian Coast Guard have rescued over 12,000 lives from the unforgiving ocean at sea. And now, the next formation, Arjun formation. Formation comprising 1 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft and 2 C-295 aircraft, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
295 विमान एशॉन में C-130J एयरक्राफ्ट के साथ, और इस फॉर्मेशन का नाम अर्जुन फॉर्मेशन मार्शल ऑफ द एयर फोर्स अर्जुन सिंह के नाम।
The Varuna formation comprising 1 PHI aircraft of the Indian Navy and 2 Sukhoi 30 MKI of the Indian Air Force. The Sukhoi 30 air dominance fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The PHI is a long-range maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine warfare aircraft equipped with the state-of-the-art sensors and weaponry, including indigenous equipment, making it the most potent maritime platform. The aircraft undertakes wide range of missions. The formation today led by Commander Ruchit Kaur, flying the PHI and the Super 30 flown by Group Captain Manoj Yadav and Wing Commander Parvinder Singh Chahal.
भीम फॉर्मेशन में एक C-17 और 2 Su-30 विमान एशॉन स्टीमिंग फ्यूल में।
Pure fighter formations in the lead, Jaguars. Jaguar, a versatile twin-engine strike aircraft known for its robust design and adaptability, capable of performing in challenging environment and thus a valuable asset for close air support, precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. And there you can see 5 Jaguars in arrow formation, formation led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. The other members of the formation, Wing Commander Ujjwal K. Mishra, Wing Commander Bharat Singh, Squadron Leader A.K. Jha, Extrafal, fighter aircraft, flying, majestically out in the air, formation led by Squadron Leader Amol Garg, Squadron Leader Mihir Vivek Chaudhary, Squadron Leader Sarthak Kumar, Squadron Leader Mohit Tyagi, Squadron Leader Arun Athare, and Squadron Leader Sivangi Singh, all from 17 Squadron.
त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन में 3 Su-30 विमान विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे। 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से त्रिशूल भगवान शिव का अस्त्र है और बुराई के अंतर का, दुश्मन के संहार का परिचायक।
Formation led today by Group Captain Manish Arora, Shaurya Chakra. Other members in the formation are Wing Commander Kunal Kalra and Wing Commander Abhimanyu Singh, all from 15 Squadron. And there you can see the Trishul formation. So now, here comes the single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers